Hey, Dr. Brett here. A lot of people are compulsive and reactionary. Why is that? Because they haven't taken the time, the energy to focus, to train their minds and work on their energy, work on their emotions, learning how to be calmer and still and more patient. Taking the time to slow things down. You know, when we're constantly consumed with like social media, our phones, TV, the stimulation just comes at us and at us and at us, and it's really not good for our brain, for our chemistry, for our biochemistry. What does it do? It tends to make us more impulsive. And if we want to get the most out of life, we need to be present and patient and poised and more in the moment. So slow down and take your time. Hey, I'm Dr. Brett, and if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Hit like and subscribe, and if you really want to support us, sign up to our Patreon.